Alright, short little video on the clutch hydraulic slave cylinder on a 2015 Victory Vision. It was leaking out here when the shaft goes in and out, and it was getting worse. So these are the seals per another post. I'm sure I could find them cheaper, but two of these were basically 20 bucks from this O-ring and things. They have a website, you can order them from there. So I used a 3/8 to take the banjo bolt off the top here. And I just wrapped the end of the hose with a towel and stuck it in a Ziploc bag, so hopefully it's not leaking everywhere. This is too big for anything. I don't know why that's there. I think he said to crack it and bleed it you use a 6, so don't need the 7 either. But anyway, this is the little jobber that won't focus. There it goes. So I guess this spring comes off, and then this is the rubber seal right there. So when it's inside of there, I kept thinking there was another seal down in the end, but I forgot when I took it apart, this was all the way pushed forward. So, and there is, to get this apart from the stem, there's a Phillips flathead slot on the end of the stem. And I was trying to just hold it and turn it, but this is actually a hex head, and I think it's a number 2.5 or 3 that fit in there. It don't take much. It ain't real tight, because I was afraid of stripping the end of that out, and I know they say be careful about bending all that. So anyway, I couldn't find a video or anything that showed the actual insides of this stuff, so here we go. Hopefully replacing that little thing right there will work and get me back in business. $20, well technically 10 for one of those, instead of 160 for a whole new slave. So alright, let's see if this works.